Hey there, this is going to be a quick video on how you can find a pediatrician closest to you or nearest you in Idaho Falls specifically, but it also can work for anywhere. So what you're going to do is go to google.com. There's a few ways to do this, so I'll show you a couple ways. And so if you go to google.com, then you can go and type in here. Now, if you're on your phone, you can probably just type in pediatrician. Right now, I'm just going to do Idaho Falls, Idaho as well. And so then what you'll see here is you'll see this map pop up. And so then if you go to more locations, then it will actually pop up a map which has all the information here. One of the other ways you can do it, which I like a little bit better because it gives you more information about reviews and things like that, is to actually go to maps.google.com. Okay, so you'll do that, and then you can type in pediatricians, and then it will do a search. So now once you have the map up, then you can go through and look for what is closest to you. So you can zoom in and just kind of look at, okay, maybe if you live, over in this area, right? Then you can kind of say, okay, which is the closest to me? And so you can drag it around a little bit and then be able to kind of see, and also kind of looking at where do you like to go. I would also say though, that like one of the biggest things is, looking at reviews and making sure, because it's worth driving a little bit more if you're going to have a much better experience. And so I'm going to, if you want to, then over here, you can click on the different locations and then be able to go and look at reviews and things like that. And then once you do that, it'll highlight where that, office is as well. And then you can kind of make sure that that's, within the distance that you'd like. And so I would like to really quickly just say that Bee Happy Pediatrics is my favorite here in Idaho Falls. So I encourage you to go check them out. But again, the reviews speak for themselves, right? This is a fantastic way for you to be able to know if it's the right thing for you. And so I encourage you to go check out Bee Happy Pediatrics. But again, I hope this video has been helpful in helping you see how you can actually find pediatrician near you, specifically in Idaho Falls, but it really can work anywhere using Google Maps. So hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And remember, go check out Bee Happy Pediatrics if you're here in Idaho Falls.